So guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video on the CORSA VXR. Today what we're going to be doing is rebuilding the back end of the car up, because as you know, the car is going to be going off to the body shop. I'm going to drive it up there. So we are going to be putting a new boot lid on, and we're going to be putting a new bumper on. As you can see, I've repaired the rear diffuser now, just letting the paint set a bit. What we could do is rebuild the bumper back up. We can get that old boot lid taken off. As you can see, I've already fitted that light we got from Phil Salvage Rebuilds, and then we can get this on. Obviously, I need to get debadge it and take that off. I'm going to take that off. Obviously, we're going to take that off. I've got a new VXR badge to go on that side, so we'll do that once that's on. Right, so what we're going to do first, we're going to change this boot lid over, disconnect it from there and there, and then you've got, I don't know if I'm just going to pick that up. There's it's not really focusing. One bolt under there to undo, another one under there. There's also this plug that we need to disconnect, so we need to drop the headlining down a little bit just so we can access that, and then we can start by taking this off. Obviously I need to get that spoiler off as well. Come around and show you. The lighting's pretty crap here. Right, that's better. There is two bolts, one there, one under there. You can't really see it, but there's two bolts to take off there. There's obviously cabling that goes through there. I'll just show you this one quickly. Thankfully, that loom's still intact, so I don't have to mess about with wires and stuff and sort of faffing about trying to pull the wires through this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this off. Once that one's off, I'll come back in and maybe just do a bit of time lapse fitting a new one. Right, so these are the two boot lids now. I'm actually quite surprised that there's no tint to that one. I thought there'd be a bit of a tint to it, but they sort of look pretty identical. Got that now got that off. What I'm going to do, put this one on, get it all lined up, and then we're going to look at getting this off next. Actually think about it, probably should have taken it off while it was on the car, but see how we get on. Right, that's now going to go on. Okay, so as you can see, we now got it on. A lot of faffing about. I need to bring this gap in a little closer. Or do I? It's about the same now. That's alright. Yeah, so obviously it's not a 1.2 Corsa. I might just leave it on there for a bit just to confuse people. But no, yeah, we've got a VXR badge to put on there. What I'm going to do now is, I'll show you what I'm going to do. I've got the bumper, new bumper up there. So we're going to put the diffuser onto the bumper, and then we're going to get the bumper fitted to the car. And there we have it, all put back together. Just need to give it a good clean now. What I might do is put it on the car first, because obviously I need to give the car a clean anyway, so we're going to get it on the car, and then before I take it out of the body shop, I'm going to give it a good clean. There's a few scuffs there, but I think they'll come out. They're not, you know, a bit of T-car, get them out. A few there actually as well. We'll get it on and see what it looks like. Okay, so we've just test fitted the bumper. Haven't screwed it in yet. Look at that. I don't know where you can see that with the sun. Coming along really nicely. So the diffuser all sprayed up in place. Yeah, coming along all right. Right, as you can see, I've now got the rear spoiler on. Tiger sealed that down. It was an absolute pain to get off. Just letting that go off now. We've got a problem as well. We've got a flat tyre, so we need to take that tyre off. See what's causing that. Bumper's all secured into place. New lights in. What we need to do now, debadge it, take that badge off, take that off, and get this taken off. So that's what we're going to do next. Okay. Right, so we've just used some cutting compound to get rid of the glue and stuff. Obviously when I get the car back from the body shop, what I'm going to do is give it a good polish all over. We've got our trusty helper again today. That's the badge, show them the badge. Got a black badge to go on this time.
It looks better than the old one.
Yeah. So we're going to get that on now. Does it look alright?
Yep, that looks amazing.
Okay, so that's the back of the car now all built back up. So it's now going to go off to the body shop, and then obviously I'll do another video once it comes back, do a price breakdown, explaining how much I paid, what it cost and stuff. Yeah, I think it's reasonably cheap, all the parts. I've just got to put that other wheel on. I haven't put that on yet. Everything lines up. It should. Well, that needs. I need raising up a little bit there. Sort that out. But yeah, there we go. New number plates on. So let me know what you guys think. But that's going to be all for today's video. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you're new, do subscribe to the channel. We're going to be making a start with the Peugeot partner van next, so that should be sort of fairly quick turnarounds. But yeah, obviously once this is back, we'll wrap this CORSA video up, and then we've got the van to sort out. I've already made a start by taking the injectors out of that. Haven't documented that. If you do want to see it, let me know. But yeah, once that's back from the body shop, we can get that up for sale. Like I said, once we've done all the little bits on the Peugeot van, that will then be up for sale, and then we can start looking for another project. But yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy, and I'll see you very soon. Peace.